second example we're going to do, we're looking at sine theta equals minus 0.8. Now this is a different kettle of fish, or slightly different kettle of fish, but we start in the same way. We take a sine inverse of minus 0.8, and again, we just take your calculator and you find the sine inverse function, and you find the inverse sine of minus 0.8, and my calculator says it's minus 0.927. So we've got minus 0.927. Now that's slightly different to last time in terms of where our other solutions are going to be and how we're going to use the curve. It's different because this is a negative value, so we're down here on the x-axis somewhere. If we look at the curve, I'll start with this bit of the curve. And again, we're looking at 0 and pi and 2 pi here. So the curve just keeps going in the way that it usually does. And this time we're running across at minus 0.8. This is minus 0.8. This is the height level that we're at. And the first solution we found, the calculator has told us this value. It's told us that this is minus 0.927. Okay, that's the value it's told us. What we are now looking for, because, and I should have said again, we're still looking for 0 is less than or equal to theta is less than or equal to 2 pi. So for the purposes of this example, I'm still trying to solve this equation between 0 and 2 pi. So I'm actually interested in these two solutions, this one here and this one here. I'm interested in those two solutions, and again I'm going to use the symmetry of the curve. This bit of curve is the same as this bit, it's just kind of flipped over. So this distance here is the same as this distance here, and it's the same as this distance here. So what I've got now is, I think I know that this value must be pi plus 0.927. Because this distance here is 0.927. The distance from here to here is the same as that. So this value of x here is just pi plus 0.927. This value of x here, I think, is 2 pi minus 0.927. So we get this kind of symmetrical pattern. And so I can say my values of theta that I'm interested in, the solutions that I want, are pi plus 0.927 and 2 pi minus 0.927. And so, I'll try and squeeze these in. My values of theta that I'm interested in here, I think they come out to being 4.068 and 5.366. These are the values of theta that I want to solve this equation. So, it doesn't matter if you start with a minus number in here, the process is the same. You take an inverse sine and then you use the symmetry in the curve to find the extra solutions.